everybody, this is Griswold Family Vacay. I'm Landon, he's Dad.
Hello everyone.
Today we're going to be playing bocce ball. We already started a fire, so my dad decided to get some games. We already played a
Ladder ball
the
other day.
We might blog that sometime.
Yep.
But today we're playing bocce ball.
Okay, so what do you do first, Landon? What's the first step to bocce ball?
So you have to roll this white ball.
The little ball, right?
The little white ball.
Okay, so you roll it.
Was that roll?
Okay, so right there. Okay, so now you go first. You're red or black?
Black.
So the object of the game is you have to roll those black balls and I have to roll the red balls, and whoever ends up being closest to the white ball in the end wins. And you can also roll your ball to where it knocks the other person's ball out of the way. So if you knock the other person's ball out of the way, then that's fine. So there's the white ball.
So it's whoever gets farther wins, basically?
Whoever gets closest to the white ball wins.
But what if you get farther than the white ball?
It doesn't matter. It's whoever gets closest to the white ball wins.
What if you exactly get it to the white ball?
Then you're going to win. Okay, your turn. Go. Alright, so there's Landon's first turn.
That's my...
So he's black,
turn.
I'm red, so it's my first turn now.
That's my sadly turn.
Here we go.
Do you give him a sneak peek of Bear before the stream? Well, they've already.
Oh, you're winning so far, Landon.
Sneak peek of Bear.
Hey, everyone. Adric
Hi.
Get out
and Bear, our dog. Saturday's live stream, you guys are going to get to know our dog Bear a little bit more. We're going to be doing a pet tag, and the kids are going to be answering questions all about Bear. So please join us Saturday at 8 o'clock Eastern Time for Griswold Family Vacay Live Saturday night stream. We'd appreciate you being there. Alright, you've done two now?
Yep. I knocked yours out. Look at
Okay, so...
Get out.
So as of right now, Landon, you're closer. My turn. Uh-oh.
No.
Look where it rolled back to, Landon.
Oh, no.
So now I'm closer.
Oh, God.
Alright, your turn. Holy cow, you knocked mine out of the way and now you're closer. Dang it. And you're black, right?
Yeah.
And I'm red. Okay, so I got two left, you got one left.
Woohoo!
Here we go. Watch out, Bubba. Ooh, you're still winning. We both have one ball left. Then we'll go take a look and we'll see who won. Oh, good Lord.
I'm blocking the area.
You're blocking both of them. You have two balls that are closer to the white ball than my one red. I got one shot left, and then let's go take a look.
That was great.
Oh, man.
That was really good, Dad.
All right. So here's what we got.
I think I won.
Who's closer? Landon is red.
No, I'm blue.
Oh, Landon is navy
Not blue.
or black.
Navy blue.
And I am red. So put in the chat who you think won.
I did.
Landon
I think I
or
did.
Danny.
Because
That's how. Put in the chat who won.
4 inches.
Okay, everyone. So that's how you play the game of what, Landon?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7 inches.
7
So
inches,
I win.
huh?
I got 4 inches, you got 7 inches.
All right. So let's wrap it up. That's how you play the game of.
Bocce ball.
That's how you play the game of bocce ball. We'll have to read the chat and see who won, but it looks to me like the winner is
Me.
Landon. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you don't have the game bocce ball, we'll put a description where we got it, and I will put a link to where we got it in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great weekend, and as always,
Take time to make... Ow!
come on, Landon, do it right.
Take time to make memories.
Take time to make memories. Catch you later, guys.